Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Mommy Berna.
I'm Sia.
In today's video, we'll make a...
DIY Christmas tree!
Okay, what are our materials needed?
Tissue paper, old toys, glue, star, a glue gun, and paint.
Okay, let's start.
Sia and Sai and more. This is my family. Meet my brother Sai. Then I'm Sia. To inventor kit. Set free. In the Philippines. Like the video, subscribe, get notified.
Plug in our glue gun.
Now we do it!
Okay, I'll be the one who will use the glue gun, okay?
This is very dangerous. You're going to stick on your hand when you use babies.
Okay, yes, very good. Okay, I'll be the one to hold. I will be the one to hold and you will get...
Okay, I'll go. See guys, I'm going to baby.
Oh, but you need to put this one first. It's not enough.
Wow!
See? You get another one now. Put it now. Stick it.
I'll stick it.
Okay.
Do it.
Come on, make it fast. It will dry. Okay.
Now see that.
Yeah, okay. Another
I'll stick the
one.
orange.
Yeah. It's fun, Sia? Is it fun?
It's really fun.
But we need to count how many roll we need to put. We need to put 9, okay? I decide 9 because we will make 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3, then 2 and 1, and a star it off. Okay? Oh, you choose the white roll?
Yeah.
Okay. Next. Be careful not to touch the glue. It's so hot. You count this one, Ashley?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There
So,
are 5.
okay. We need more 4.
It's working, it's working.
Yes, okay. Stick one more.
I'll stick
Put
this.
another one.
I'll stick this.
Okay, it's all your choice. Make it straight.
Just with the purple, the green, the red, especially the
Why there's a color in that roll? What did you do?
what roll?
This one. Why there's a color?
What color?
This is. There's a color in the roll.
What roll?
That one. What is the color of this?
What?
What is the color of this?
Mommy, you know I was supposed to stick it.
But because you're not attentive of sticking your...
I chose the blue one. Very.
Okay, stick it now.
I will stick it.
I will help you, okay? I'm helping.
Now I'll choose the yellow.
We count now if it's 9. Is it 9? We'll count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that will be the last one.
Be careful, Mommy, that's your color.
Okay. Okay, stick it now. Okay. This is already 9. So, we need to set aside this one.
Wow, that was a long one.
We need to make another 8.
So I get the...
Okay, I'll start again 1, okay?
Okay.
Okay, stick another one.
This time I'm just going to color.
Okay. Okay. Make it fast, it will dry up. But also make sure that it's aligned together. Okay?
I'll choose the color white.
Okay.
choose the color green.
Okay.
Then I'm going to choose the color rainbow.
Is that a rainbow? How come it's a rainbow?
It's black, it's red, it's maroon, and it's red and green.
What are the colors of the rainbow, Shaylee? Do you know? Do you remember? What?
Red, orange, yellow, green.
There's no blue. You just saw this one. Blue. This is blue. Then.
Purple and blue.
Okay.
Oh, it's getting working.
Okay. Stick now. Stick now. Get another one.
This time I'm going to color white.
Okay. Okay. Can you count it now?
Ow!
You see? Be careful. I told you be careful.
My skin.
Okay, come on. Don't go near on the gun. Oh, stick it now. Oh, is this 8 now? Can you count it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, another one. Okay, stick another one. Come on. Yay. Are you having fun?
Mommy's burned myself.
Because don't be near, I told you. Okay. Are you having fun?
Ooh.
Are you having fun to make our
Yes!
Christmas trees? Okay, stick it fast. It will dry up.
Now when we're going to stick the toys?
After we build the Christmas tree.
Oh, now we're going to put the fish, then we're going to paint it.
Because we will use the old toys to make our Christmas tree.
What we'll use for the paint? What we're going to paint?
You decide what color do you want afterwards, okay? Can I do it now
Oh,
so it will be fast?
No more.
No more stick?
No.
Okay.
Just a little bit.
Okay.
Mommy, still a little bit.
Okay, can you count it? Don't touch it. No, don't get it now. I already put it right. So don't try to remove it. What is the number we need to make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
We need to make 10,
7.
11.
The last one is 8, right? 2, 4, 6, 7. So this is done. We will make a 6 pieces.
Now I'm going to choose the color white.
Okay.
Give me
Attach
that.
now. Attach.
Hirap na kami. Gutom pa.
Oh, it's not the cherry.
Sorry.
You need to align together.
Let's do it. Let's do together.
Bawat mega sardines, may katumbas na
We're
donasyon.
doing together, but I'm the one who will touch the glue gun. It will burn you, right? How many times you hurt yourself? 2 times. Oh, come on.
Once upon a time,
Okay.
in a kingdom far away, lived a cute
That is
little
4.
girl
4
named
roll now.
She
So
loves
this
to
will be
celebrate all day
5. 2, 4, 5. There will be next. There will be next.
Your skin also gets red, dry, and then super itchy.
Itchy.
It also has those. Whenever that happens, just remember.
2, 4,
Cry,
6.
do not cry.
This is
It's
enough.
okay. Let mommy
Okay.
check it. This looks like an eczema flare-up. Let's continue.
See, look.
This one now.
Okay, you turn. I'll be the one who will stick.
No, I'm still going to this thing.
Okay, align together. It's
Hi, mommy.
must be aligned and don't spread it.
Hi, eczema.
See?
Hi.
Hi, eczema. Bye.
You must listen to mommy what she's saying, right?
You, wow.
Because if you will not listen to mommy, what will happen? It will get hurt
I'll
you.
play with these. You do, mommy.
What is the last number we done?
Mommy, you
Yes?
do this one. I'll just play with the toys, the old toys.
Okay, you separate the blue color, the red color. Make okay, separate the colors now.
Yeah.
I'll make the roll first. Okay?
Now you already mixed.
5. So we'll make 4 now.
Mommy, here. I have more.
Okay, thank you. It's nice to use your old toys, right, Shaylee? So we will not throw it. We will need to use it again and
You need
again.
to use it because for the Christmas tree when you don't play with it.
It's also fun and it's nice to have your toys back again. Not to put in a box and it will get dirty only there. So you need to use it. And also, if you don't have budget to buy,
Make a square.
yes, you make a square. Whoa! And so creative. Oh, that is 4, I think. So this one, I will make 3.
Mommy, make a line.
Yes. So that is 3, so we'll make 2. So that's enough. So we'll build now our Christmas tree. This. Do you have more glue on your side?
No, I don't have any more.
Okay.
And here, and I'll put it in. Yay, I did it. Mommy.
You can see now?
Mommy.
Yes, honey.
It is my farm.
Your farm?
You have a tower, a shape, an animal, a tree, then even a grass.
Okay.
Oh, mommy, there's one little mistake here.
What mistake is that?
Look, oh, it's not stick. Mommy.
Yes, honey. Yeah, okay, it's okay, fine.
Okay. I wish. Oh, look at this, so messy. Okay, it's messy. Uh-oh, what did you do?
Don't touch it. Maybe it's warm still, Shaylee.
What? No, it's cold behind the blue. Ow! Why did you use this one?
And put like this. Okay, now I've done my Christmas tree. It's your turn now, Sia, to put your old toys to my Christmas tree.
Okay, first we'll start with the fish.
Where you will put this fish,
I'll
Shelly?
put in the top.
On the top, but you need to put the face in front like this, okay?
Okay.
Yay!
It's fit.
Okay,
Now let's put the toys.
okay, put
I
the
mean,
toys.
can wrap on me like
Put in front of
this?
Okay, no problem. Yes. You need to alternate the colors?
Yeah, I need to answer.
Alternate? Make a design also. Can I help you?
Yeah, you can help me if you want.
Thank you. Okay. What color is that?
Let's color yellow.
Then now what you're
Then we
putting?
don't have like yellow like this. We put a yellow like.
See? Can we put like this?
Okay.
Can I sit down?
Wow. Me, my hand's getting tired.
Okay. Oh. See, it's so much fun, right? This is so easy and fun. Right, Shelly? Yes?
Yeah. Okay. Now I'll put the animal.
Okay.
Oh,
It's not standing.
no, it's not standing.
I'll
Excuse
stand
me,
after.
excuse me.
Okay. These are DIY Christmas tree. Hope you all like it. Bye-bye, guys. Say bye-bye to all of them, Sia.
Bye-bye. Subscribe, get notified, and like the video. Press the blue button to see our next channel.
Thank you, guys.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Sharing is caring. Please subscribe for our channel for more videos.